Today we'll talk about how can you send a message on your Remit app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do. So you just go above here this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on your message here, just click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you click here on conversation here, then it's going to take you to this list until you select receptions here, and there can you find contacts. So I have no contacts here, but if you have them, just select it here and can you send to them a message on your remainder. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.